Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 7th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mild for one more day. Then a shot of cool air comes in tomorrow and some rain at times during the transition. There's the water vapor satellite view across the nation this morning. You can see there's no really big upper trough over the east, so what's going to happen? The cool air kind of seeps southward, and we'll be in it tomorrow. And in advance of the cool air push, got some rain and storms this morning over parts of middle and eastern Tennessee. Nashville with heavy rain overnight. And we'll see a gradual increase in chances for showers later today, maybe some thunder. Starting off the day in the 60s. Look at the shoals. They're at 70 up in northwest Alabama, but the front is on past Memphis. And back in the cooler air, you've got 43 at St. Louis and Tulsa. And really back in the cold air, it's below zero on the Canadian border. Havre, Montana this morning is at 13 below zero, one of the coldest numbers I've seen so far this season. We note this morning a dense fog advisory for a pretty good chunk of central, east, and south Alabama. This includes Anniston, Gadsden, Birmingham, Alexander City, Montgomery, Dothan, Mobile. Visibility very restricted in spots. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. There could be some thunder around here, but no severe weather expected. And tomorrow we get in very cool air, maybe some thunder south and east of Alabama, but again, no severe storms. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch for much of the state, and the bulk of that will be between now and late tomorrow night, very early Thursday morning. Tropical weather, tropical storm Rena on the board out in the middle of nowhere in the Atlantic, and basically it stays in the middle of nowhere, no threat to land. So, model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 06C run at noon today. Big trough over much of Canada. That represents some very cold air. Down below that, at 1035 millibar highs over South Dakota. Cold front pushing into Alabama with a chance of showers. This is the high-res HER at 1 o'clock today. Nothing too heavy. Showers, maybe some thunder coming through in advance of the front. This is tomorrow at noon, and a wave of low pressure forms on the front. A lot of rain west of the state, and that will likely move in here late tomorrow and tomorrow night. This is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting rain could be fairly widespread. And it's going to be a cool day tomorrow. We'll be in the 50s all day. In fact, the NAM is suggesting the high of only 55 at Birmingham. That'll be a 20-degree plus drop from today. So very cool, cloudy, and wet at times on Wednesday. Thursday, the rain should be out of here very early in the day, most likely during the pre-dawn hours. The sky becomes partly sunny. High would be at or just over 60. And on Friday, cool and dry. We start the day down around 40, the high in the 60s. These are the anomalies, very cold air moving up into New England, their coldest air so far of the season. Saturday, as the weekend begins, very delightful fall weather. We start the day in the low 40s, the high in the middle 60s. The sky will be sunny, cool, crisp, very nice. Great for football. Now, Sunday, the GFS is looking dry, but we're still going to mention a chance of showers. This is the European Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, and it's got kind of a surge of moisture coming in with a chance of showers. And the European has consistently suggested that. Don't think it's going to be anything heavy or widespread, but a chance of showers Sunday with a high in the 60s. And then Monday, kind of a reinforcing surge of dry air. Again, temperatures seasonal, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 14th. Upper high over Mexico, cold trough over western Canada, and down below that again, cool and dry, very pleasant. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 16th, trough digging down across the Great Lakes, a cold front pushing in. But that's not really a severe weather look, and that's the good news. We see no sign of any severe weather problems for the next 10 days here in the core of this late fall tornado season. And after today, temperatures go back to where they ought to be. Highs around 60 for several days, then mid-60s next week, and lows mostly in the 40s. And again, that's just right for November in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.